You got to get the money to move, and the way to get the money to move is to make contact with people.
Number one, where to find good marketing people, the best way to do it is to grow them.
People settle when they don't understand the technical aspect of growth because they get beat back.
So you have to be able to have the altitude to command it.
You need to define greatness in your own company.
Most companies don't have leadership training for salespeople because they're constantly trying to close deals.